In this video, we are going to solve the eavesdropper room from Try Hack Me, which is a Linux privilege escalation room from John Helmer. So, on your Kali machine, connect with Try Hack Me OpenVPN. Now check your connectivity with ifconfig command. And a new interface with the name of tunnel0 will appear. Now start your machine, and once you get the IP address of your target machine, try to ping it to check your connectivity. And our target machine is up. Now download the tasks file from Try Hack Me website. It includes an SSH key file. Copy the file to your Kali Linux. Change the permissions of the key file with change mode command. Let's now try to connect with our target machine with SSH. Just use the command ssh-i, the key file name, the username and the IP address. And we are in. Now you can run different commands like ls, and you can check the present working directory with pwd command. If we try to run sudo-l, it will ask for our password, which we do not know. If we use the command ls-la, we can see the hidden file in our directory. It includes a -bash rc file, which means we have a bash terminal. To check the user permissions and the groups, we can use id command. And you can see that Frank is part of sudo group, but we still don't know the password of Frank. Now we can use a script called pspy to list all running processes by all other users, without having any sudo privileges. Go on Google and search for pspy GitHub. Open the link and copy the link for 64-bit static version. Open a new terminal and use wget command to download the script. Now to transfer this script to our target machine, we can set up a Python server on our machine. Just use the command python3-m http.server. And a Python web server will be started in our current directory. Open a new tab and check your current IP address. Now on target machine, use the command wget with IP address of our machine and the file name to download the file. And we need to provide the port number as well, which I think is 8000 in our case. And our file will be downloaded to our target machine. Now try to run it. And we do not have the permission. Now change the file permissions with change mode command. And our script is running. It is listing all the processes being run by all the users on the machine. Now you can see that once Frank logs on to the machine with SSH, a command cat etc password is executed with sudo privileges. As UID is equal to 0, it means the command is being run by root user. Now we can use sudo path hijacking in this case. So whenever Frank logs onto the machine, instead of the actual sudo command, our malicious sudo command gets executed. You can check the current path with echo path, and the whole paths will be listed. And our present working directory is home Frank. The actual sudo executable is located in user bin folder. Now let's create a malicious sudo file. Just open a new terminal and SSH in the target machine again. Now create a sudo file and paste in the code as shown in the video. Once the file gets executed, it asks for password. Once the user enters the password is saved pass.txt file. Now change the permission of this file with change mode command, and our malicious sudo command is ready. Now we need to add the path of the malicious sudo file to the actual path variable. Now open the bash rc file with nano command and paste the complete path on the top of the script. Now add the home directory as well. So whenever a user logs on and gets a new shell, this file gets executed and our path variable is set to the new path. And after a few seconds, we will get the pass.txt file, which will include the password. If you do not get the pass file, just log in with a new SSH terminal. Now copy this password and switch user with sudo su command and enter your password. Now we are logged in as root. Now move to the root directory and cat out the flag. Copy this flag and paste it on try hack me. And we have successfully solved the eavesdropper room from try hack me.